Hey everybody, Eric Clark here with SWICKtech, one of our client success associates, and today I want to share with you a way to upload your own customized background image for a Teams background and some of the gotchas along the way. So I'm going to go ahead and share my screen here and show you the file path you need to take to get there. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to navigate to your C drive, and then once you get there, you're going to click on Users. You're going to find yourself, your username. And then once you get there, you're going to click on View and you're going to show Hidden Items. You might not see everything. Once you've done that, you're going to look for App Data. Go into App Data and then find where it says Roaming. Then look for Microsoft. This is a quick gotcha, not Microsoft Teams, but Microsoft. From there, once you're in Microsoft, you're going to go ahead and try to find Teams. And once you're in there, this is quite the path. You're going to click on Backgrounds and then Uploads. So you're going to see these are the ones that come pre-baked that you may have already been using and having some fun with. You click on Uploads. This is where you can drop in what you have. And if we look at our properties of this image, I just want to show or share the size of this image. It's 1920 by 1080. You want to make sure that that resolution is accurate. And when you upload it, it's going to look, if you're using text, for example, for this particular image. This is how I created the image. So I uploaded our logo, the SWICKtech logo, to the bottom left, and then I wrote our tagline, "Your success, that's why." However, when I upload this and I view it, I see it backwards. So then I actually created a reverse image of this, and then everyone else had seen it backwards. So if you're seeing this image backwards or mirrored, that's okay. That is accurate. There's no issue with that at all. And then I'll go ahead and show how you can actually get this to show as your background. So inside of Teams, you'll click on More Actions, Show Background Effects. And then we see all of the basic images here, but now that we've added that image to the bottom, if you scroll down, you'll see the new one that you have. So we can now change that, click Apply. And this is what I mean by it's showing it as reversed, but everyone else will see this as not reversed. It'll be accurate. So that is how you can upload your own image to Microsoft Teams. I used Photoshop to create this image. You can use Adobe Spark, Canva, whatever photo editing tool you use, even PowerPoint if you want to make something more custom, or if you have a particular image of maybe your favorite vacation spots, your home, your office, wherever it is you want to showcase as your background, you can now do that. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope everyone finds this useful.